Hey friends, welcome back to Ganzaa, where learning is exciting and full of shapes. Today, we're discovering another amazing shape. It has two long sides and two short sides, and all its corners are perfect. Can you guess what it is? It's the rectangle. A rectangle is a shape with four sides, where opposite sides are equal and all angles are right angles. That means two sides are long, two sides are short, and every corner is exactly 90 degrees. You've definitely seen rectangles before. The front of your notebook, your phone screen, or even a classroom blackboard. Now let's learn the magic formulas of a rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle is the total distance around it. The formula is perimeter equals 2 times the sum of length and width. Area of a rectangle tells us how much space is inside. The formula is area equals length times width. Let's try an example. Imagine a rectangle that's 8 centimeters long and 5 centimeters wide. What's the perimeter? Perimeter equals 2 times the sum of length and width. 2 times 8 plus 5. 2 times 13, perimeter equals 26 centimeters. What's the area? Area equals length times width. Here's 8 times 5. Area equals 40 square centimeters. Great job! Now you know what a rectangle is, how to find its area and perimeter, and even spotted it in the real world. Want to have more fun with rectangles? Go to Ganzaa.org and play the Rectangle Master game today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more shapes with us on Ganzaa.org, your fun learning place for kids.